Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to unbox and install the FitcamX Dashcam. We have the 4K version in here, and this video is sponsored by FitcamX. So if you want to purchase this product, I'll put the link in the description below. Come on, let's proceed. Alright, so the box on this one, it looks nice. The packaging is awesome. And at the back of the box, we have the brand. It says FitcamX. The model is HD2. So product name, of course, it's a dash cam. So they just put dash cam in there, and it's made in China. So on this one, again, it has Wi-Fi, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit, and it has HDR. So let's check the box in here. Let's open it. But yeah, so this is the product. So it will look OEM. Look, so it only has one wire in here, which makes the installing a lot faster. So that's what we have. Let me put that there. We have a small trim piece in here, so that one goes there. So let me just put it on the side. And then we got the harness and a trim removal tool. We have a micro SD card reader, and the user manual. So I think this one comes with an SD card already. Let's see. Yeah, so it comes with a 64 gigabyte micro SD. So that's good. So let's proceed with the install. Okay, so before we proceed with the install, just want to talk about this harness. So this is a piggyback harness, or Y cables, what the other call them. But yeah, it's a piggyback cable. So you remove the Toyota Safety Sense harness plug in there and put it in here, and then this one goes to the original plug of the TSS, and this one just connects in here. So simple process. It eliminates running the wire from the top going to your USB or hardwiring it somewhere under the dash. So again, let's proceed with the install. Okay, so that's my original setup. That's the DDPai dash cam, and I'm running the wire from here, going up here, going down to the back of the center console. So we're gonna proceed by removing the wire first, then I'll remove my wide Broadway rear view mirror in here. Then we're gonna remove the trim. This should be easy as like pushing it down. It's very easy. So I'll try to show it on camera. All right, be right back. That one, that easy. You can just push it down and it's released. Now we have to remove this clip. Yeah, so we have to remove this small piece, but again, it's easily slid down. Yeah, again, very easy. Okay, so I successfully removed this. From here, basically what you need to do is pinch this out so that you can pull it. Okay, so we have to remove this, and we're going to plug the FitcamX harness in there. Easy swap. Okay, so the cable has been installed. So now we just have to connect this on our main camera. So yeah, so that's what we need to do. Very easy. Okay, so on the camera in here, we need to transfer these tabs. These orange tabs, there's two of them. We need to transfer this on the FitcamX, and then we're gonna proceed with installing this. It's an easy swap. Okay, so now we're just transferring these tabs in here. All right, that's it. Let's go to the car. Okay, so now I connected this one in here, and we're just gonna slide the whole assembly back on. Again, just reverse the process. Very easy. Okay, so a little bit of struggle in there, but we were able to put it. So now we have to reconnect this. And then we can just put it back in here, there, and we can cover it. We can use the original one, or we can use the one that came with the FitcamX. So yeah, so there you go. Now we have to check and turn on the dash cam. So we need to download the app first, which I already did. So let me check. Okay, so we're going to connect it to the app once it's on, and let's see if it can be detected. Let me, oops, sorry. Turning on my accessory, the car or ignition on. You'll see some lights in there. So we're going to connect the FitcamX. I think it's the car. Wow. And I don't know the password. Huh, alright, that's the password. So now let's go back to the FitcamX. And now we're connected. It has a blue because I haven't removed the film yet in here. So if you can see that. Very easy. Again, keep saying it's very easy because it's very easy. So yeah, so that's my dirty garage. So yeah, so on the app basically we can play around it, what resolution we want. We can have 4K, loop recording, image resolution. This is when it takes some snapshots while you're on an accident or some kind of bump. That's what the G sensor is for. If you want the time watermark, it's up to you if you want to do that. Driving collision sensing. So let's put that in middle. The parking mode monitor, motion detection. This one will require you to hardwire it separately when the car is off. So we're gonna keep that to that one basically. And we have to change the password, which I'm gonna do later. But yeah, so basically a very easy, user-friendly app that they have in here. the date is already like fixed in there. I think it's from the device date that it's actually getting the date in there. So because I don't see that in the settings, so it's nice. We're gonna try this one actually tonight, and I'll have some footage, nighttime footage, to test it. All right, let's go with the test. Okay, so one more thing I'm gonna do is I will put one dash cam in here. I'll use the DDPai and my old Yi dash cam just to compare them. I'm gonna put them on the screen or in the glass of the windshield, just to test them out. That's why I didn't remove this cable yet in here, because I want to test it. All right. Okay, so now we're testing the FitcamX in comparison with the DDPai and the Yi dash cams. So the Yi and the DDPai that I got are 2K cameras, and the FitcamX is 4K. So there's a little advantage in there for the FitcamX, but later we will test, or I will switch the resolution of the FitcamX to 2K mode. So we will test that. So right now, let's just enjoy the drive. Okay, so now we're going to record in 2K mode and all of the three cameras. So let's go and enjoy. Alright, so now we're testing in 2K mode, and let's check and compare. Leave your comments down below which one you prefer, but I guess the 2K is better. I'm sorry, the FitcamX is better. Alright, let's check the footage. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the comparison. So I hope this helps. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button too. Again, thank you for watching.